Unprecedented attack on Hezbollah rocked Lebanon. Thousands of pages exploded simultaneously. Israel planted explosives in 5,000 Hezbollah pages. The pages, believed to be made by a Taiwanese firm. Hezbollah labels attack their biggest security breach. An unprecedented attack on Hezbollah rocked Lebanon, leaving 9 dead and nearly 3,000 injured on September 17. Thousands of pages exploded simultaneously when a coded message activated explosives concealed within. Who made the pages? The pages, believed to be made by a Taiwanese firm, were produced by a European company under the brand. Sources indicate that the Israeli Mossad had meticulously planted explosives in the pages months in advance. In the wake of the attack, communities rallied to support the wounded, as hospitals were overwhelmed. Biggest security breach. Hezbollah vowed to retaliate, labeling the attack their biggest security breach since the start of the Gaza conflict. In a bid to enhance security, Hezbollah had distributed pages, inadvertently exposing themselves to this attack. The blasts heightened fears of escalating conflict, with implications for regional stability involving Iran and the US. What's next? Experts believe the attack underscores Israel's deep infiltration of Hezbollah, but not necessarily an imminent ground offensive. As tensions simmer, the world watches closely for the next steps from both Hezbollah and Israel.